Mateo. And I'm Michael. And I'm Josiah. And we're the Salado-Poor brothers. And we're the Salado-Poor. Okay.
Action.
Hi, I'm Mateo.
I'm a Mandalorian. This is the way.
Okay. Hi, I'm Mateo. And I'm Michael. And I'm Josiah. And I'm Michael. And we are the Salado-Poor brothers. Hi, I'm Mateo. And I'm Michael. And I'm Josiah. And we're the Salado-Poor brothers.
No.
Hi, I'm Mateo. And I'm Michael. And I'm Josiah. And we're the Salado-Poor brothers. Today we're going to be experimenting with the microwave. We're going to be microwaving soap. What we're curious about, and what our question is, what will happen when we microwave soap? Our hypothesis is that we think that liquid soap will bubble, but a bar of soap will foam.
Microwave ovens heat things
Microwave ovens heat things
by using microwaves. These electromagnetic waves enter an object and excite the molecules within, causing them to vibrate faster. Yes. The kinetic energy, just I say, the increased kinetic energy results in a raised temperature.
We believe that the friction from the soap molecules vibrating will result from microwave heating will result in bubbles. Larger bubbles in liquid soap, smaller bubbles like foam in bars of soap. The materials we will be using are 2 paper plates, 2 glass jars, Irish Spring soap, and soft hand liquid soap. And we're gonna microwave them in this microwave. Here I have a glass jar and a paper plate in case a mess happens. And now I'm going to pour some liquid soap. Now we are going to make the room dark, so when we heat it, so we could see what happens to the soap when we heat it up in the microwave. Oh, okay. Ah, ew. Whoopsie. Hey. Okay. Lights. Camera. soap in, eventually it started bubbling so much it overflowed and probably it even exploded. Well, that's exciting with the liquid soap. Now it's time to do the bar of soap and see what happens, see if it's more fun. Lights! Camera! Action! Wow, that was crazy. I mean, look at it. That was also one of the worst. And man, it's smoky. Evacuate. Well, that was way and toxic. Toxic air, and we had to all the windows and doors open and fans on to circulate the air. And man, oh man, look at that thing. It made a solid, crusty plate on the paper plate. And
What happened in the microwave?
At first, it was like this, and it exploded. And then after the explosion, it started going unfolding from the inside out.
Unfolding?
And
What was it like?
It was like lava. It was like lava, like you see how, you know how a volcano, when it erupts the lava, it goes, and then it starts going down the side of the volcano.
Michael, was it like foamy or was it hard?
It was like foamy.
It was?
Yeah,
But now that it's cooled, what is it like?
it's hard. That's, boy, solid.
Did it stay the same color?
At first it was white, and then now that's cooled. It see all the bubbles that have exploded? That's from the explosion. And then now that's cooled. It started turning brownish, tan, gross stuff.
Very interesting, don't you think?
Yep. Yeah. Solid.